So I want to make a holdfast, and I have these pieces of round, roughly in the length that I think I'll need. Some are 13 millimeters, which is exactly the size of my pritchel hole, and this one piece is 12, which is probably too loose, but I think I'm going to give it a go and try it, and we'll see what I can do to make it work. I want to thank a quartet of guys for their recent donations. They are Bruce Butcher, Jerry S. Hodges, Matthew West, and Larry Fetters. Big thanks, helping to keep the camera rolling. I also want to mention a friend of the channel, Eric Morris. He asked if I would help bring attention to his channel, which is Eric Morris and Company. He operates a factory in China and so wants to share his story at this time. Other than this, he works with brass, doing things like chasing and drop forgings. Again, his channel is Eric Morris and Company for anyone interested. This is my good buddy. This bird has literally been watching me for 5 years. He knows more about my blacksmithing than most of you guys. Can't see because of the shadows, but he's a light-vented bulbul. He doesn't understand social distancing, which is fine by me. I often use round stock, so I figure having this depression will help. With this project, like so many, I'm just flying by the seat of my pants. I do remember making a holdfast way back when, but I'm not really sure how I went about it. I probably didn't have to make that leg so long, but I'll work with it. Because there's limited space beneath my pritchel hole, I need to remove some material. I really should have just used the 13mm rod. This is too loose in my opinion, so I'll make some adjustments now. I wish I left the pritchel end just a little bit longer for larger diameter rods. I'll make a few more adjustments. Here I show how much it protrudes on the bottom end. I wish it was just a ½ inch longer. I probably go to bed saying that every night. With the adjustments I've made, I can hold, at most, this ½ inch rod pretty securely, but not ideally. Should be this much longer. So there it is. I hope this gives you some direction for your own Holdfast tools. Doing this has given me 2 other ideas for alternative Holdfasts, which I'll explore soon. Catch you guys next time.